The state of the roads in Mtare in particular and Manicaland in general have deteriorated since the start of the heavy rains induced by Cyclone Freddy. In most parts of Mtare where roads have been repaired using gravel, it has been washed away since the start of the heavy rain. At the flyover to Sakuba and the roundabout near Victoria Staple Hospital, near the CBD, the situation has left motorists struggling to pass through. In most high-density suburbs in Mtare like Chikanga, Dangambura and Sakuba, potholes have left most of the roads impassable. I'm Ray Bande reporting for the Manica Post.